we're going to begin today with some breaking news.
Just a short time ago, Mayor Brandon Scott announced the current coronavirus restrictions will remain in place. Restaurants in the city cannot reopen to indoor or outdoor dining.
Unfortunately, we are still seeing the impacts of New Year's Eve in our data. And after evaluating where Baltimore is with its cases, positivity, hospitalization, and deaths, with the health commissioner and our hospital partners, I made the determination that there will not be any announcement changing the city's current COVID-19 guidelines at this time. I will work with Dr. Duraza and our hospital partners to continue monitoring this situation daily and reassess the situation by middle of next week.
Now, Mayor Scott says he will meet with restaurant owners this weekend to go over those key metrics and explain why restaurants cannot reopen at this time.
The health commissioner says once hospitalization numbers show a steady decline, then the city will move forward with reopening. Right now, city hospitals are at about 90% capacity.
So now let's take a look at the statewide COVID-19 numbers. For the fourth day in a row, the state recorded less than 3,000 new cases.
The number of people in the hospital increased slightly, while the percentage of people testing positive dropped a bit.
So the focus now is getting vaccines into the arms of Marylanders.
WJZ investigator Mike Halgren is live at City Hall. He explains where we stand on the vaccination effort. Mike?
Lynn, Denise, the city has given out about a third of the doses that it has on hand at this point. All appointment slots are full for the next 2 weeks, and even if you're eligible here in Baltimore City or elsewhere in the state, on Monday you're going to have to wait to get that shot. People are clamoring to get vaccinated for COVID-19 following the governor's announcement expanding those eligible for the shot by hundreds of thousands of Marylanders. Dr. Jinlene Chan, the state point person on vaccinations, urged patience.
It is still in limited supply, and so, that the local health departments can't control that, the hospitals can't, and in all honesty, neither can we.
Next Monday, January 18th, all teachers and all people 75 and older, those living in group homes, child care providers, and teacher support staff can get vaccinated.
Understand that, all the different facilities and providers are pushing out vaccine and making appointments as quickly as they can.
Starting Monday, January 25th, Phase 1C begins. All people aged 65 to 74 can get vaccinated. But is there enough supply? While some counties like Montgomery tell WJZ they've run out of doses until the next shipment comes in, Baltimore City has used less than a third of the doses it has on hand. Still, there are no more appointments left for now.
As of this morning, every appointment slot for our vaccination pod site through the end of January has been taken up on the state's PrepMod scheduling system. Our teams are working to confirm that individuals who signed up are actually eligible under Priority 1B, and we're working to add capacity for more appointment slots through external partners as rapidly as possible.
Now, the mayor met with the governor today, and they talked about using outside partners to help administer more shots to get more people vaccinated. Also, at that Under Armour campus where they've been having a mass vaccination clinic in the city, they are vaccinating some 500 people a day. Reporting live at City Hall, Mike Halgren, WJZ.
Amid the ongoing financial impact of the pandemic, today Governor Hogan announced $30 million in aid for music and entertainment venues. That includes the Baltimore Symphony Orchestra, the Royal Farms Arena, and dozens of other venues across the state. The move will preserve more than 800 jobs.